of the things that I often experience as an artist when I seek to create art, or when I try to go down to my studio to get some work done, is that you get that resistance and you get that feeling in your body that tells you not to go or not to do it, or let this wait a while. You get that feeling of procrastination that creeps in, and it's a resistance that all artists go through and all artists have to fight. Now, with my cancer and my treatments, it's often magnified within me because, I have symptoms in my body, and I feel fatigued, and all kinds of things are taking place in my body that are telling me no. My body is just not on board with doing this a lot of the time. And most of the time I have to fight through that. And I have to really struggle to get over that. But what I've found was that having that resistance is a signal that there's a great idea in me waiting and desiring to get out. And I think that's true with most artists and creators who struggle with procrastination, or even like with myself, may have a terminal illness or something going on in their bodies that's causing them to slow down and even forego their work. This resistance can often be severe, and so severe that it'll cause you to quit even before you get started, like I said. And what I found is that when you have faith and when you have a belief in your work, that will remove all uncertainty and doubt. When uncertainty tries to creep in, or doubt tries to creep in, your faith has the power to override that and to help you overcome that and to get you into action. You heard the scriptures. Faith without works is dead. You can have the faith, but there has to be some work behind that faith. Your work proves your faith, and your faith proves your work. They go hand in hand. So you just can't have faith and not the work that go along with it. You have to have them both. The reason why you have resistance is because that resistance does not want the work to get done. And as an artist and creator, it's very important that you get to work. It's very important that you communicate your ideas, that you get your ideas out, and that you express your ideas, because that's what's going to define you as an artist, and that's what's going to draw people to your ideas and to your art. So having faith removes the uncertainty that we often feel because of the resistance. And what I often do is, when I'm feeling like I don't want to work, like my body's not up to it, where I don't feel like I can do it, I push myself. I just give myself a nudge, and I get myself into the space and into the area where I'm going to do the work, even if I don't feel like doing it. But just being in that space, just being in the environment where you work will encourage you to get to work and to get it done. So the next time when you feel like you're procrastinating, when you feel like you're not up to it, and you feel like you just don't want to do anything for whatever reason, could be that you're not feeling well, or you're tired, or maybe you're just not feeling it at all. just take that as a sign that there's something in you trying to get out, especially if you've made plans to go to work in your studio or create, and all of a sudden you don't feel like doing it. There's something there. There's something going on there, and that resistance is real. It's very powerful, and it's designed to block your creativity and to stop you from creating the work that somebody needs to see and that somebody needs to be blessed by. I hope that you got something out of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. More of this on the way. It's just me thinking and me pondering on what I go through, and I just want to share it all with you. I love you all. Yahweh bless, and I will talk to you again soon. Peace out.